Hello, welcome to Learn English and Practice. Today, we will practice can and can't for beginners. There will be 3 conversations. Listen, speak, and practice. Key words: I can, I cannot, I can't, walk, run, fly, drive. Listen. Can you walk? Yes, I can walk. Great. Can you walk? No, I cannot walk. Practice. Me first, then you. Can you walk? Great. Yes, I can walk. However, I am slow. You, then me. Yes, I can walk. Can you walk? Practice. Can you walk? Pause and practice. Listen. Can you fly? No, I cannot fly. Why? I don't have wings. That makes sense. Practice. Me first, then you. Can you fly? Why? Okay, I understand. You, then me. No, I cannot fly. I am a person and not a bird. Practice. Can you fly? Pause and practice. Listen. What can you do? I can dance and sing. Great. What can you do? I can study. Me first, then you. What can you do? I can. Great. I can drive. You, then me. I can cook dinner and play soccer. What can you do? Practice with what can you do? Pause the video and practice. Challenge. Practice with these questions. Can you walk? Can you fly? What can you do? Pause and practice. Good. There are more beginner lessons on this channel and an intermediate lesson on this topic. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.